Welcome to my channel, Teacher Riz channel, inviting you to learn about prefix or unlapi, suffix or hulapi. What are these? Or ano ang mga ito? But first of all, take a look at the correct answers from our previous quiz on tutorial number 2. Do you have a perfect score? Wow, excellent! Today's video, we will learn a new lesson. It's all about prefix or unlapi, suffix or hulapi. Ano nga ba ang mga ito? Or what are these? Definition of prefix: noun, a word, letter, or number placed before another. Verb: add something at the beginning as a prefix or introduction. Kahulugan sa Tagalog: unlapi. That is prefix or unlapi. These are examples of prefix. Prefix are anti, de, this, and for. So these are the meaning. Anti, against; de, opposite; this, not, opposed of; and cause, for, before. And these are the examples. Anti, antifreeze; de, decode; this, disconnect; and encounter, for, forecast. Definition of suffix. For noun, a morpheme added at the end of a word to form a derivative. Examples: ation, fy, ing, itis. Verb: append, especially as a suffix. Notice the word morpheme, that is word expression. In Tagalog, that is morphema. Notice also the word append. In Tagalog, that is dugtungan. It means to add something as an attachment or supplement. Add, attach, affix. Now let's go back to the definition of suffix and its examples. Definition of suffix. For noun, a morpheme added at the end of a word to form a derivative. Example: ation, fy, ing, and itis. For verb, append, especially as a suffix. Example of suffix. Suffix: age, airy, full. Meaning: age, a result. Example: wreckage, airy. Meaning: a type or place of work. Example: bakery, full. Meaning: as much as will fill. Example: spoonful. Another examples of suffix: ing, ity, or ship. Ing meaning an action or result. Example: painting. Ity, the state of condition, that's the meaning of it. And the example is equality. Then ship, meaning position held. Ownership is our example. Ano ang kahulugan sa Tagalog ng suffix? Yan ay ang hulapi. Hulapi, suffix. Suffix or hulapi. Ngayong nalaman nyo na ang meaning and examples ng prefix at suffix, or sa Tagalog ay unlapi at hulapi, I am going to give you a short quiz for our lesson today. Ready na kayo? Now, test your knowledge of this using the sentences in the quiz that I'm going to give you now. All the best! And now for our quiz, number 1 question. What does the word unhurt mean? A. Hurt badly. B. Hurt. C. Not hurt. You're just going to choose the correct letter of your answer. For question number 2, what do you do if you read a book? A. Don't read again. B. Read it again. And letter C. Read it for the first time. For question number 3, which suffix can add to the end of the cook to make a new word? A. ing. B. Full. C. est. For the question number 4, which of these prefixes means below? A. Under. B. Pre. C. Over. For the last question number 5, if you take away the prefix and the suffix, what is left of the word unemployed? A. Unemployed. B. Employed. C. Employ. Okay, time's up. How many correct answers do you get? Let's see. Okay, you can find your answers on the last part of our video. You can check them out. For the last glance of our lesson, read the following. Prefixes and suffixes are sets of letters that added to the beginning or end of another word. They are not words in their own right and cannot stand on their own in a sentence. That's the definition for prefixes and suffixes. Have you learned from our video today? Please comment down below. Thank you all for watching. God bless.